actually experiencing a tremendous heat wave, we've managed to get some rains. I know you're super jealous, but it's the perfect time to create a plum and thyme crostata or a freeform pie. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as I get to creating it. A kg of plums cut into large wedges goes into a bowl. And now it's about creating that fantastic stuffing that goes with it. So into that goes about 50 grams of dark brown sugar, about 2 tablespoons of corn flour, about 100 grams of chopped walnuts, and not forgetting some dehydrated thyme, which is the kicker over here. So about 5 grams of that is just perfect to neutralize this really well. Put that in, give it all a quick tossing before you add in some beautiful melted butter. About 40 grams of melted butter going in. We're going to just toss all this up really well together. And such an easy stuffing, but the plum, the walnut and the thyme is just going to create a perfect crostata. Now the recipe for the shortcrust pastry is in my basics playlist, and I never ever make it every time because I just show you once and we get to creating it. So take this entire stuffing and put it right in the middle of a 13-inch diameter disc, and that's the beauty about a freeform pie because you just don't need to do too much. Just tumbled right in the center, and now this is the beauty about a freeform pie where you just lift it and fold it up, and even if it cracks, don't be alarmed because it really holds well and brings the rustic element perfectly well together. Like a nice little dumpling full of fruit and flavor. This needs an egg wash just to give it that perfect golden brown color all around. Sprinkle some sugar all around. And now all this needs to be is chilled for about 15 to 20 minutes before it goes bang into that preheated oven. At 160 degrees centigrade for just about 45 minutes. 45 minutes later, perfectly caramelized and the golden hue smiling, this gorgeous plum and thyme crostata is ready. Allow this to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then all you need to do is dive right in. Now, though rustic and crude with a large amount of fruit in every bite, this plum and thyme crostata is perfection personified. All it needs is copious amounts of vanilla ice to just indulge in the weather that we are in. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below. And more importantly, get a little jealous of the treat I'm going to dig right in.